All right, we are at CVS. We're going to go inside and try to do this body wash deal. This is a good way to stock up on body wash, and the good thing is you don't even have to have the paper. I'm not even getting the newspaper. I'm using the coupons, the internet printable coupons from either irishspring.com or softsoap.com, and I'm using the CRTs that I have. Now, if you're just starting off at CVS, then you probably won't have these CRTs. You will be paying a little more out of pocket, but I'm just trying to show you, how I do my deals, how I roll my extra care bucks. And so hopefully this will work. Let's go inside CVS and see what happens. Let's go. Okay, so we don't have them tagged, but you can see that they're priced here at $4.99, but in the ad, they're $3.99. So I'm going to grab 3 of these, and then I'm going to grab 3 of the Irish Spring. I think I have this jasmine one at home. That's a really good buy, but I don't know if it's for these right here. I don't think it is. This looks like it says Deep Action Scrub, so I don't think that's the one. I don't think I have this one. I'm gonna grab 3 of these. So this is what my cart looks like. Get distracted by all the clearance. That's a good deal. I don't think it's for this one. I think this one goes there. This one's on clearance also for $2.69. That's really good. I like these little wipes, but you can get these at the Dollar Tree for $1. But this is a good deal with the freshies. This one's $1.62. Yeah, the wipes you can get at Dollar Tree. So, some clearance razors. Let's see if they have any. See, my red box is down. It's been down for like a couple months now. Good morning. How are you? Good. I was just looking here because I had some John Frieda coupons, but I think that's it. So this is everything I'm getting. Let's go to the register and hopefully it works out the way I planned. All right. Yes. That's a lot. I think the rest are digital.
It's on your phone.
Mm-hmm.
Still thinking here. Three off of soft soap, 2 off of body wash, 2 off of body wash, and 2 off of Irish Spring.
Mm-hmm.
It's all good.
Okay. All right, I am back home from CVS, and it didn't go according to plan. But that just also goes to show, not every transaction is perfect, and so I also want to show you this as well. Because when things don't go according to plan, don't get upset. Just kind of talk to the cashier or whoever is helping you, and just say, hey, I thought it was supposed to be this. If you're nice to the cashiers and things like that, and if you don't like leave the store a mess and do too much, they'll be nice to you and they'll be willing to help you even more. And so that's another reason why I like going to the store, because even if the transaction doesn't work right, if it doesn't go according to plan, they always do their best to try to make things right. So you guys saw what I got. I got the 6 body washes. The problem was my subtotal ended up coming out to be $3 more than I planned. I calculated my total to be 44 cents after I rolled the $10 extra care buck. But you can see here that my total came out to $3.44, and I will show you what the receipt looks like here. You can see all my manufacturer coupons came off, as well as my CRTs. But the reason why it ended up becoming $3 more was, if you look and see where the soft soap is priced, it's priced at the original price of $4.99, as opposed to in the ad they are advertised for $3.99. See? So at first I was like, okay, when she told me what my total was, I was like, well, maybe that was, for tax or whatever, because I feel like Illinois tax is high as hell. And I was like, okay, I'll pay that for getting 6 bottles of body wash. I'll do that. But then when I really looked at the receipt, I saw that the sales price for the soft soap was not $3.99. So just be careful if you decide to do this deal, or if you have the Irish Spring coupons, do it that way. The thing is, with the Irish Spring coupons, you can only use 4 coupons in a shopping trip. So maybe you can do 4 and then use, if you have it, that, what was it? The 2 off of 3 Irish Spring CRT. So you can use that to lower your out of pocket for the 4th, the other 2 Irish Springs. So that would take $1 off of each one, as opposed to 75 cents. So that might be another way to do the deal as well. But the soft soap is bringing up regular price for $4.99. So that was the other reason why I only was issued a $5 extra care buck, which was the one for the Irish Spring. And so I was like, oh, well, I did the deal twice. I should have gotten another $5 extra buck. So, when you're nice to the cashiers and you're nice to the managers and stuff, they'll They'll treat you right. They really will. And so she issued me out a $5 extra buck because she saw that I did the deal twice. Okay. And then when I actually like got in the car and started to look at the receipt, I was like, no wonder. I was like, okay, my subtotal was $344, and then I looked and saw that the soft soap was not ringing up for $3.99. So I told her that I didn't want her to give me the money back because I didn't want it to mess up the CRTs and the coupons. I didn't want it to mess her up. So she just gave me a $3 extra buck back. So, to me, at the end of the day, that was winning. My subtotal, because I did get the $3 back, but I got it back in extra bucks. It's still money that I was going to use at CVS anyway. So, I still feel like my subtotal came out to 44 cents the way I calculated. And then I ended up getting a $5 extra buck. I got $10 back and $3. So, I got $13 back today that I can use on any other item in CVS. So I thought that was all in all a good deal. I did have some hiccups along the way, but these things happen, and it's not always going to be perfect. It's not, it's not always going to work out the way you think. And, rather than just paying for it and then complain about it, just have them void off the transaction. I would have had her do that had I not realized. I would have just had her start all over, but I didn't realize. I just thought that it was, my tax. But if you already know that you're supposed to pay, a certain amount or something like that, and if it doesn't work out, just void it off. It's no big deal. It's easier that way because a lot of times, especially if you have digital coupons, the digitals will still stay on your account. So if you go ahead and pay for it, then your digitals are gone, and then you won't even be able to do the deal again. So. Yeah, that was CVS today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, it didn't go according to plan, but I started off with $10 in extra care bucks, and I ended up with 13, and that was still fine by me. So thank you guys for watching these videos. I hope you guys find it beneficial. If you have any more questions, just ask, and it's okay to ask in the group. That's why I created the group. So thanks for watching my video, and see you next time. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of them. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.